Hey everybody, Life's Journey of 50 here. So, hey, I got a couple of things here from Klim that I think is fantastic. Again, that's my word that I always use. So, hey, did some traveling to Colombia last year. Also, whenever I am traveling and I got gear I need to take. Again, Klim's helmet bag. Excellent. You can use this as a carry-on, but obviously I can get my helmet in here. And then, you know, if you need to, you can carry some other stuff inside of here. It's got plenty of room. But yeah, you can store a few things in here as a carry-on when you are traveling, if you go to the airport or whatever, and you don't want to check your helmet so nobody throws it around in the bottom of an airline. So this big bag is again, pretty awesome. It's got, as you guys can see here, I'll stand up. But as you guys can see, it's got pockets to store stuff in here. You can put your gloves, you know, any of your items that you want to put in here, packing cubes. You know, it has dividers in here. So literally put your boots, everything. Let me flip that upside down. You can see how big that is. But it's got divider, pockets on the side to store stuff. Pretty awesome. And then it's got... And actually, I should say, it's got the divider for your boots, and then it's actually got a boot carrier, so you can put your dirty boots and stuff in here, and obviously put that in here. And then, if you're like everybody else, and you've got smelly stuff or dirty clothes or whatever, it's got a little bit of a layer piece that you guys can lay on top of here. So, and then even on the outside here, you know, again, it's got a big pocket, all this good stuff. And again, it was really pretty awesome because you can put goggles. If you're riding in the airport, again, they're going to throw this stuff at the airport, but it was really durable. It took me all the way to, like I said, to Colombia. I've used it in my travels when I go places and I trailer. Again, it's just a very compact bag. Stick your gear in here. Everything's, you know, ready to go. It's like I said, it's pretty durable. It's a quality made and a lot of storage. So again, you can get your boots in here. I had a full riding suit. When I went to Colombia, I took the Klim, was it Sand 4, the Baja 4, S4. I even took the, you know, the rain pants, rain jacket, obviously all the clothes that you're going to wear, and then toiletries, all this other stuff. It all went in this bag, and it does pack out pretty nice. So you can get a good over, you know, full week. I was gone for what, 10 days to Colombia, and was plenty enough room for everything that I needed. And again, the helmet bag comes in really nice because you're only allowed to really take one carry-on on, right? So I was able, actually two carry-ons, so I was able to take all my video equipment in my bag, this video box that I have, but put the helmet in here, and then any of the other stuff can go inside your helmet, or it's got tuck around, you know, where you can put stuff in here. It's got plenty of room for anything else, and goes right in the overhead, and you could travel with it. So I really thought that, and it's expensive. Again, it's Klim. It's part of the stuff. Heck, if you look at the new Moscow bags that just came out, I think they're charging like $600 for their travel unit or whatever. This is a little over $300 for this. I think the helmet bag was $50, so you're looking close to $400 for a good, solid travel companion for all your gear. If you're flying, or if you're maybe trailering and you don't have, you know, however you do your trailer, but this is a good thing to keep your gear in and have plenty of items for all that stuff. So pretty awesome. I would tell you that big proponent of it. And again, it's expensive, folks. None of this stuff is cheap. But again, it's solid, great construction, got great storage. Individual bag for your boots, divider in there for your clothes, and then obviously a sheet to go on top. This way, if you got dirty clothes and clean clothes, you can even keep that as a divider in there. So again, solid construction underneath here, solid wheels, It's got the skid thing here. The handle comes out. This is pretty cool, right? It's a button controlled handle, so you can obviously wheel it through the airport. Again, put it on the bottom. It's durable, hard plastic. And then on top of here, if you need to secure stuff, you know, there's the belts go over here to make sure that nothing rips and falls out. It all stays stable. It's just a great bag. So again, if you're traveling, looking for something like this, I would highly recommend the Klim travel bag, as well as the Klim helmet gear. And I don't know, enjoy your travels out there, because it's a good way to go and a good way to keep all your stuff together. So hopefully this helps, gives you an idea of kind of what I've done and what I use. And again, if you have questions, please leave them in the comments below. Again, I'll leave links to all this stuff in the description. And hopefully this was helpful to you if you're looking for something like this for travel. I would highly recommend it. So again, like, subscribe, hit that notification button. I greatly appreciate it. And we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.